DatoneCJ. We're here with the boys.
Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
Yeah, Susan, I hear you, but I just don't see anything in his history about depression. Maybe he's a Lions fan. Oh, I gotta go, Susan.
Doc, a word.
Come in. It says here that you slipped and fell on a patch of ice in your Minecraft world.
Yes, sir. I thought it was spring out, and then this patch of ice took me by surprise. I feel so violated.
You do realize that seasons changing have nothing to do with an in-world video game, right?
No, I guess I wasn't aware of that. Listen, Doc, I had a really rough day. Can you just give me the good news?
Son, if you want good news, you came to the wrong place. I just got back your MRI. Test results say your back is cracked on the sticks? What does that even mean?
No idea at all. Must be pretty gnarly.
Well, regardless, you're gonna need some major spinal reconstruction surgery. I'm looking at 5 to 6 months to recover. That's like another 5 to 6 months break on you.
Wait a second, 5 to 6 months? I just came back from my previous sabbatical. I can't pull another one.
You've definitely missed more time than you need to. You need an at-home remedy. Let me send you links to some helpful solutions that you can choose from.
Send me those links. I'll be back.
Guten Morgen gamers, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. My back hurts. I need to listen to the doctor and take his stupid advice and watch these spine deck videos. I just really hope it solves my back problem.
Girl versus guy.
I feel kind of uncomfortable right now. I didn't know curing terrible scoliosis was just so sexual. The first reaction was weird too. Although I can't say I'm a stranger to screaming like a velociraptor whenever I do like a stretch and I just go Listen, I understand lubrication before use, okay? You want to make sure you don't stick to the board. I get it. It seems like these people have like an infatuation with the board. I'm not sure I'm quite ready for a long-term commitment with a board like that. Seems like it's heightened sexual activity on top of curing scoliosis. Feels like I'm looking in on something. I don't like it that much. Okay, this thumbnail looks cool. They're going to the extreme.
You guys keep asking for level 10, aka the triple Big Mac Wombo combo.
That one genuinely looked like it hurt. That's why I kind of winced a little there. Not gonna lie, the triple Big Mac Wombo combo might be the cure to my back pain. I'm sold. You've sold me already. It's good to see there are those in the spine deck community who don't over-sexualize it. This guy just wants to get his work done. He just wants to get his back cracked. And I respect the straightforward hustle of it all.
It feels amazing. Oh. Easy to adjust. Great for back pain.
No. Made me sick. Not talking about the guy shirtless because he looks like an absolute king and I would make out with him, yeah. Bro, that lotion, like, he went a little too far with the lubrication. I understand you're scared to raw dog, but you really shouldn't be adding that much lubrication. It's almost like a fabric of time and space that breaks when you do that. It's getting really uncomfortable over here. Let's go deeper into the My Spine Cracker TikTok page right here. What? My uncle broke my back in middle school, so now I use this?
Uncle broke my back in middle school, so now I use this.
Sure, his uncle made him sound like that too. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Helping a stranger crack his back? Oh, dude's got a fatty though. Now I'm really interested in watching this.
Helping a stranger crack his back.
Oh, he looks like he really needs help. I didn't know the My Spine Cracker was dangerous. Just broke every part in his lower spinal region. Dude was flopping so hard over there, looking like James Harden. When the doctor prescribed me this, he made it seem like it was super safe and easy. This is not super safe and easy. I think I might die. This is what Tobey Maguire really needed. Is it?
This is what Tobey Maguire really needed.
I don't like the prolonged eye contact from just inside the frame there. That felt really uncomfortable. Also, I don't think that's Tobey Maguire, guys. I gotta be honest. That doesn't look like Tobey Maguire. Now, My Spine Cracker is not the only account in the game. Also, Spine Deck. Chiropractors trying out the viral back cracking machine.
So, our friends over at Spine Deck sent this for me to try, and they actually gave me a couple more to give away to you guys.
Okay, there's no way it cracked for Dr. Steven. I'm sorry, Dr. Steven, you're a poser. There's no way it cracked for you. Bro just went like this and was like, yeah, bro, it cracked all right. I am cured of all my scoliosis, osteoporosis, diseases that I could ever get. These doctors are lying. I don't hear a single crack at all. I think these chiropractors were paid by Spine Deck in order to show their product. That just means it's even more dangerous because it hasn't been accurately tested. Wait, horrible posture? I know someone with that.
How did I go from this to this?
Seriously? He can walk again! Oh my god! Oh my god! Our horrible posture can be fixed thanks to the Spine Deck. Oh my gosh. I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed, okay? All my friends with horrible posture can be relieved of this. So does that mean the fixing of posture, the fixing of life itself, outweighs the negative of possibly dying? This is gonna take a long time to decide. I need to take time and reveal the news to my doctor.
Honey, I can try to get my money back. It's just not that easy to pull out of Forex schemes. And listen, Doc, I'll call you back. So, have you decided on which remedy you will be choosing?
I've decided that neither of these options are good for me. I don't want to make my back worse than it already is. And I'm tired of being aroused all the time.
Neither. Son, that's not an option unless you want to miss 4 to 6 months.
No, wait, it's your fault. You're supposed to be a medical professional. Look at you, wearing a Blue Jays jersey like a white lab coat. You can't even get that right. I bet you don't even have a real certificate. Look at you, sitting there with imperfect posture. You are slouching in your seat.
Sir, you don't see me coming into your job and telling you that you're unqualified.
I'm sorry, it's just, this is a lot to process.
As a licensed medical professional, I could get into a lot of trouble for this. But there is one more underground solution.
I'm all ears. Doc, please, I will do anything.
Are you sure you want to do this?
I've had a lot of regrets, Doc, but I won't let this darn back be one of them.
Okay, follow me.
Are you serious right now? Listen, son, did you want to be healed or not?
Can you at least hold my hand?
Hell no.
Nope. You can go now. Make this easier for all of us. Yes, sir. We got him.
My back!